I don't know, guys. I don't know what to tell you. First video in a couple weeks. Sorry that it comes with such crappy news. Um, Bitconnect's been down for a couple days. Finally was able to log in earlier today. Got a little excited at first, I'll admit it. I saw the 0.37 something or whatever the heck it was Bitcoin in my account. When they gave it to us, that might have been my initial investment, sure. But now that everyone's selling and dumping, that's dwindling quite quickly considering I can't log in because of the overload in the servers. So, I'm bleeding money right now with Bitconnect, just trying to pull. I'm personally trying to pull out my Bitconnect coin before it crashes too low where it's just, I'm hurting too bad. Kind of sucks, a couple bad eggs. Have to wreck it for everybody. With the cease and desist in Texas and North Carolina for both USI and Bitconnect. It sucks, man. I was hoping that this was going to last a little longer than it did. I know it was, too good to be true. I was expecting for it to fail, but I wasn't expecting it to fail this soon after signing up personally. Silver lining though, there's always a silver lining. Bitconnect, like I said, did pay out, some of what I lent to them, and they did that across the board for everybody, from what I understand. And USI, even though that they're no longer allowing U.S. citizens or North American citizens to buy any more packages, they're still paying out on the current packages you have. So, with every, bad news, there's always some silver lining there. I don't know if I'm going to jump over to Devore Coin or if I'm just going to go back to trading. I have some experience trading foreign exchange or stock markets, so I understand how to read graphs and indicators, and kind of playing around with that a little bit today on GDAX and Binance, looking into some bridge trading, and we'll see. I don't know. I'll keep you guys updated on what I'm doing. I'm still, invested in cryptocurrencies. I still believe in cryptocurrencies. I still believe in the blockchain technology. I still believe that this is our future. So much so that I have a company that's, involved in blockchain technology itself. I'm sorry that this video comes with such crappy news. Make this little video a bit bigger. There we go. Hey, how you doing? I just I don't know. I don't know what else to tell you guys. I feel bad for the guys that have so much invested with Bitconnect and so much invested with, or had so much invested with USI. I also invested in AGAM, Atlantic Global Asset Management. Right before they didn't shut their doors, but they went on a 3-month hiatus. Hopefully that's coming to an end February. They'll be back online. I'll let you know what happens with them. But honestly, everything that I've tried so far, except for, I'm not even going to mention the other one I've tried right now because I'm worried I'm going to jinx it. Everything has shut their doors. USI, Bitconnect, AGAM, all these passive income earning programs based upon cryptocurrency is starting to shut down. But like I said, I'm a strong believer in blockchain technology. Strong believer that this is our future. Perfect example of that today. Came out a while back. I've been following a little bit, but they, just started popping up in headlines. Would be Dragon Coin, put together by Disney. So Disney actually put their stamp on it. So that's pretty big. Having a big company like Disney, creating their own cryptocurrency and then using the blockchain technology. I know originally it was they had started using blockchain technology for security reasons, for their servers and file transfers, and using the Dragon coin that they created back in 2013, 2014, just to secure their own information. And now it's being, publicized, and now we have access to it. You can, trade it on KuCoin exchange, which is pretty cool. So like I said, I'm not going to put down cryptocurrencies. It is a shame that Bitconnect did go down and shut down their platform. They do still have Bitconnect X running. I don't know if that's the reason why they shut down their lending platform. Maybe they're doing a transfer over to Bitconnect X, starting a exchange, more or less of a stronger exchange platform over there. Who knows? But I'll definitely keep you guys informed. Anything that I hear, anything that comes to the grapevine, that I'll make sure I do some research and follow up, and make sure that every bit of news that I'm dishing out to you guys is relevant to what I'm doing passively, to maybe what you're doing passively, and so on. But like, subscribe to the video, click that little bell, make sure you get the notifications when I do make a video. If you have any comments, leave them down below. If you have any questions, please let me know. And guys, sorry, I don't know what else to tell you. I'm going to keep saying it, because I'm still in utter shock. But we'll figure out another way together to create that passive income. Until then, though, I'll see you next time.